Okay, so now we're going to set up your awning. So you've got to the perfect campsite, you're ready to set up the awning. Let's show how it's done. So first of all, you get your awning puller, which all your accessories are in your front tunnel boot. We get that awning puller and we clip it up in the top here and we clip it to the open position. So it's very easy to do one person. We've got this puller here, which clips in here. But first of all, we need to adjust these latches up so that this can freely move. We need to loosen off our tension bolt just in behind here. Not too much so that it comes out, but just enough so that it's taking the pressure off. Then we grab here and we're going to pull the awning out. So as you can see, a very simple one-person operation. Then we're going to clip our arms up. So we slide our arms up, clip into place. Then we've got our adjustment of our height. So you can adjust your height by moving the side legs up like this to your desired height. So that's if you want to leave the van with the awning attached to it. Obviously we tie our strap up out of the way so that's not flapping around, or it can be slid out of the track and taken away so that it's not blowing around to the wind, whatever you so desire. So that's the first option. The second option then is to take the legs of the van and off the van and put them down into the ground and actually secure them. So we'll show you how that's done. So it's a simple click here, remove, and we take out once again to the desired position. We tighten up our nuts up the top, which keeps the tension, and then once again we can adjust our height here how we desire. You can have fall on the awning, so you can have one leg slightly lower than the other. That's going to allow the water to run off easier so that you're not pooling water on top of your awning. Okay, so now it's time to pack up. So what we're going to do is everything we just did, but in reverse. So Matt and I will get this, we'll clip it back into the side of the van, which simply just pushes into place. We will loosen off our tension nut. We then pull on this lever here, which allows us to slide down our locating arm. We make sure we're in the lower position. Then it is simply clicking here again into the closed position, and then we let the awning retract up. So now we're ready to put it away. So what we're going to do is take our tension on our strap, we're going to click into the closed position, and we're just going to let the awning retract on itself. Then we lock our locking mechanisms, which we undid before. We tighten our nut, and we're ready for travel.